Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on appliance repair. Today, we'll walk you through the process of diagnosing and fixing common issues. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the right tools on hand. You'll need a screwdriver set, multimeter, and a set of pliers. For certain appliances, specialized tools may be required, so check your user manual for specifics. Next, let's focus on the screws. When disassembling your appliance, keep track of the screws. Use a magnetic tray to prevent losing any parts. Start by removing the outer casing. This often involves unscrewing several screws located at the back or bottom. Be careful, as some appliances may have hidden screws beneath labels or rubber feet. Once the casing is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of wear or damage such as burnt wires or loose connections. If you're uncertain about a component's condition, a multimeter can help test for continuity and voltage. For cleaning, use a soft brush and a vacuum to remove dust and debris. This not only prolongs the life of your appliance but also improves efficiency. Remember, a clean appliance is a happy appliance. If you encounter a problem that seems beyond your skill level, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can contact us for support, and we'll guide you through the next steps. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient for you. After diagnosing the issue, you'll need to replace any faulty parts. Ensure you have the correct replacements ready before proceeding. This might involve ordering parts online or visiting a local hardware store. Always check compatibility with your appliance model. Before reassembling, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws or parts. If you need to test the appliance, do so before closing it up completely. This way, you can ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once you've confirmed that the appliance works, it's time to put everything back together. Follow the disassembly steps in reverse order, ensuring everything is snug. If you encounter resistance, don't force it, check for any misalignments. As you finish up, remember to keep safety in mind. If you feel overwhelmed at any point, we're here to help. Our service includes a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, with the right tools, a bit of patience, and our support, you can confidently tackle your appliance repairs. Remember, no calls, no travel, just expert assistance from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.